In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into Notion. Start by opening Notion in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're already signed in to your account. Once Notion loads, you'll land on your main dashboard or workspace, where you can see your pages in the sidebar and your current content in the main area. Now, before importing anything, go to your computer's file manager and find the Excel file you want to bring into Notion. This can be an XLSX file or an older XLSX file. On Windows, you'll usually do this in File Explorer. On a Mac, you'll use Finder. Take a second to confirm you've got the right file, especially if you have multiple versions saved in the same folder. This next part is important. Instead of uploading the Excel file directly, you'll first need to compress it into a zip file. To do that, right-click the Excel file. On Windows, choose the option that says something like Send to, then Compressed Zipped Folder, depending on your version. On Mac, right-click and choose Compress. Your computer will create a new zip version of that file in the same location. You'll use this zip file for the import, so make sure you can see it clearly before moving on. Once the zip file is ready, go back into Notion and open the page where you want your Excel data to appear. This can be an existing page in your workspace, or you can create a new blank page if you want to keep the imported content separate and organized. The main thing is to be on the exact page where you want the imported database or table to be added. With that page open, look to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This opens the Page Options menu. In that menu, look for the Import option and click it. Notion will then show you a list of file types and services you can import from. From the import options, choose Excel or CSV. After you click that, an import window will appear. At this point, you can either drag and drop the zip file you created into the Upload area, or click the Upload area to browse your folders manually and select the zip file from your computer. Either method works fine, so just use whichever feels easier. As soon as you upload the zip file, Notion will begin processing it. You should see a progress bar or loading indicator while Notion converts the Excel data into a format it can use inside your workspace. Depending on the size of the spreadsheet and how much data is inside it, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, so just give it a moment to finish. When the import is complete, your Excel content will appear in Notion on the page you selected. In most cases, Notion will convert the spreadsheet into a database or table that you can start editing right away. You can click into cells, update values, rename columns, and organize the data further using Notion's built-in tools. At this point, the main task is done. Your Excel file has been successfully imported into Notion, and you can continue working with it directly inside your account. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick thing to keep in mind is that if the imported table doesn't look exactly the way it did in Excel, that's normal. Notion focuses more on structured data and flexible databases than on spreadsheet-style formatting. So if your Excel file had things like special fonts, merged cells, complex formulas, or heavy formatting, some of that may not carry over perfectly. Usually the raw data imports better than the design. If you run into any issues, the first thing to check is whether you uploaded the zip file and not the original Excel file by mistake. Also make sure the file isn't corrupted and that it's a supported Excel format like XLSX or XLSX before compression. If the import fails, try creating the zip file again and repeating the same process from the import menu. You can also clean up your spreadsheet in Excel before importing it. Removing extra blank rows, fixing column headers, and keeping the data consistent can make the result inside Notion much cleaner and easier to work with. And that's it. Open Notion. Find your Excel file, compress it into a zip, go to the page where you want it. Use the three-dot menu, choose Import, select Excel or CSV, upload the zip file, and wait for Notion to finish converting it. Once the import completes, your data will be ready to use in Notion. Congratulations, you've successfully imported an Excel file into Notion.